Hey guys, so this is a quick video about the 300 series UHF mounting bracket. In the kit, obviously not going to get the mic mount, that'll come with the UHF, but the aluminium bracket that goes in the 300 series, you'll get that, and you'll get one of these. So this is a little 3M primer. The tape will already be on the back side of here. Inside here is a little glass sleeve, so basically you just squeeze down, break the sleeve, let the fluid come out through this felt pen. Make sure that this area just here is nice and clean, and then just in here wipe your primer on. Now you need to give that a couple of minutes to dry, so if you just could give that 5 minutes to dry, make sure you look in there with the torch and make sure it's dry. And then with this one, it's really easy. So this surface here and this surface here actually marry up with the back there. So if you were to peel the tape off and basically just find the back, slide it down into the corner, it will self-align, and then just bring it up and press it hard against the side there. And if you just hold it and run your fingers in behind and press it on nice and tight, that double-sided tape is really good stuff. I've never found anything else quite like it, but we've been running this stuff in our own vehicles on a few different mounts for well over a year, and it holds. It doesn't come off, particularly if you prime it. It doesn't give up. So yeah, nice and simple install, guys. No drilling, no anything, just bang it in there and it self-aligns on those back corners when you slide it in, and just press it up against it, and that's its home.